Good morning, student. Today we discuss the new chapter in our civics political life. The chapter is the state government, the fourth chapter in civics. In this chapter, we discuss about the level of government, state government, and the also some point of central government. And what is the difference between Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, and power and function of the governor and the CM of the state. Okay? Now, in this chapter, this one is the diagram of the state legislature of Bihar. You know that in state, the state government is responsible, and in central, the central government. How they complete this process are divided by state government and central government. Our country is governed at three levels, that is local, state and central. You know, local, that means Panchayati Raj Vyavastha. State, particular in state, just like Bihar, UP, Telangana, and central in whole country, that is called central. And you know that we discuss about the state government. The government formed in a state are known as the state government. The power of the state government work only within the boundary of the state, not in the other state or not in whole country. It includes subjects, police, agriculture, land, revenue, fisheries and irrigation. They form law related to these subjects. These subjects are called state list. Police, agriculture, land, revenue, fisheries, irrigation are come in state list, and the state government form make related police, agriculture, land, revenue, fisheries, irrigation related law. The state government make law of the governments and also satisfy the general need of the people. Or you also know that the law making bodies are called legislature. A state legislature consists of either two or one houses. If there is only house, then it is called unicameral legislature. And the house is known as the legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha. You know, the Vidhan Sabha. It is the lower houses of the state. Lower houses of the state, just like our central government, two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, upper house and the lower house, just this. Vidhan Sabha is the lower house of the state legislature. There are some state having the second house also. This house is known as the Legislature Council of Vidhan Parishad. Vidhan Parishad is called upper house and Vidhan Sabha is called lower house. A state having two houses in the state legislature are called bicameral. In our India, only 6 states have both Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and newly formed Telangana. These states have both Vidhan Parishad as well as Vidhan Sabha. Okay, only 6 states have both Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, that is called bicameral legislature. One question is, what is bicameral legislature? In which state they have both Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad? That is called bicameral, द्विसदनात्मक. Bicameral, द्विसदनात्मक. One is Vidhan Sabha and second one is Vidhan Parishad. Okay. Now, who are MLA? MLA full form is Member of Legislative Assembly. Member of Legislative Assembly. And MLC, Member of Legislative Council. आज आप जानते हैं कि मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल का चुनाव है. अपने दरभंगा में भी एमएलसी का आज चुनाव है, जो जीतने के बाद विधान परिषद को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. वी ऑल्सो डिस्कस दिस रिलेटेड टर्म इन जस्ट आफ्टर सम टाइम. और ये मैंने बताया कि आज विधान परिषद का चुनाव है. 22 अक्टूबर को पूरे बिहार में विधान परिषद का चुनाव है और बिहार में द्विसदनात्मक पद्धति है. हु आर एमएलए? एमएलए, मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. यू नो दैट in just coming Bihar election on 7th November also. In that day, person who are more than 18 years, they choose their leader and they come after and they represent our constituency, our in Vidhan Sabha. They are called member of legislative assembly. Vidhan Sabha is comprised of directly elected representative by the people of the constituency, which is the state. Member of legislative assembly, that is, they represent the Vidhan Sabha. विधान सभा के मेंबर को एमएलए बोलेंगे. एमएलए को चुनने का डायरेक्ट रूप से हम लोग चुनते हैं, जो उस राज्य के लोग चुनते हैं उनको, और वो विधानसभा को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Okay, in next video we discuss about MLA and MLC, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Okay, thank you very much.